Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? Welcome back. Our lesson for today is Our World, Part 1. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn 4 new words, identify the main idea through reading, locate details to answer some questions through reading. To find this lesson, you need to open your student's book, pages 82 and 83. Don't forget your workbook too, page 85. Let's start with a warm-up activity. Are you ready?
Do you know me? I am Earth. You live on me. Look at these pictures behind me. How do you think I feel when I see them? Yes, I don't feel very happy.
Let's start with our vocabulary. Have a good look at the student's book, page 82. Activity number 1. Look at the pictures. How many words are we going to learn today? Yes, 4 new words. Let's look closely at each one of them. Have a good look at the first picture. What do you see? What are these items made of? They're made of plastic. Our new word is plastic. Can you use it in a sentence? I use a plastic water bottle. Which part of speech do you think it is? It's an adjective. Great job. Let's move to the second one. What is that? It's a cloth. Can you use the word cloth in a sentence? My shopping bag is made of cloth. Can you think of which part of speech is it? It's a noun. What about this picture? How do you feel about this action? It's dangerous. Can you use the word dangerous in a sentence? It's dangerous to ride your bike without a helmet. Can you think which part of speech is it? It's an adjective. Have a look at this picture. What do you think the woman is trying to do with her hands? Protect. Well done. Can you use the word protect in a sentence? The umbrella protects us from the rain. Can you think which part of speech is it? It's a verb. Great job, everyone. It's time to listen and repeat. Turn to your student's book, page 82, activity number 1.
Plastic, cloth, dangerous, protect.
Let's practice. Turn to your workbook, page 85, activity number 1. Read and complete. Then complete the crossword to reveal the hidden word for the sentence below. Here is the sentence you need to complete. You will find the answer in the crosswords here. But first, you need to complete the exercise. Let's start by reading the words in the box. Dangerous, protect, cloth, plastic. Let me start by modeling the first one for you. How can we, our oceans and forests? Which word do you think is correct? Protect. Well done. Now it's time to write it in the crosswords. Great job. Now pause the video and do the rest by yourself. Welcome back. Let's check our answers together. 2. There are a lot of bottles on the beach. Plastic. Good job. Now it's time to write it in the crosswords. 3. Can you please put these bottles in that large bag? Which answer do you think it is? Cloth. Now it's time to write it in the crosswords. Let's move to number 4. Don't ride your bike without a helmet. It's Dangerous. Now it's time to write it there. It's time to find the hidden word. Let's read the sentence together. We must everything. Take a look at the letters in the crosswords. Can you think of the hidden word? Recycle. Well done. Our hidden word is recycle. It's golden question time. Do you think plastic is good for the environment? No. That's why you should always recycle. Well done, everyone. Now you have learned 4 new words. It's time to move to the second objective. Identify the main idea through reading. Let's get started. Great job. Let's move to the next activity. It's reading time. Please turn to your student's book, page 82. Activity number 2. Look at the picture, then answer 2 questions. First, let's find some clues. What do you think of what you've seen? Use the clues to answer the questions. Let's start with question 1. What is the type of text? Clue number 1 might help us. Let's check our options. 1. It's an email. 2. It's a blog. Which one is the right answer? Great job. It's a blog. Golden question time. What do you need to start a blog? You need internet. And of course you need a laptop or a tablet. Finally, you need an important topic to talk about in your blog. Now it's time for question 2. It can be a little bit tricky. What is the text mainly about? Let me give you some options to help you. 1. Protecting oceans. 2. Recycling plastic. Let's read to check your predictions. Don't forget to write your predictions in your notebook. Also, don't forget to use the clues that we found previously.
The Ocean Blog Q&A. There are 5 oceans in the world. We can all do something to protect them. How can I protect the oceans? You can keep the beaches clean. What can I do? Here's something you can do. Don't leave any rubbish on the beach. Don't touch or feed animals in the ocean. I don't live near a beach. How can I help? Don't use plastic bottles and bags. They are dangerous for sea life. Why? Animals in the ocean often eat plastic bags and bottles. What can I do about it? Use cloth shopping bags. You can recycle too. Is there a special day for oceans? Yes, World Oceans Day is on the 8th of June. Share everything you know about oceans with your family and friends. Everyone can help.
Now it's time to check your prediction. What is the text mainly about? Let me remind you with the options. 1. Protecting oceans. Or 2. Recycling plastic. Which one was your answer? Good job! Protecting oceans. Well done, everyone. Well done! You have completed Objective 2. Now you can identify the main idea. It's time for Objective 3. Locate details to answer some questions through reading. Now you need to read the questions and highlight the keywords. Then, read the text again to find the answers. Let's start with question 1. How many oceans are there in the world? Let's highlight the keywords. How many oceans? Can you find it in the text?
Yes,
Well done! Now you know the answer.
there are 5 oceans in the world.
Great job! 2. What can you do to protect the ocean if you don't live near the beach? Let's highlight the keyword. If you don't live near the beach. Can you find it in the text?
Yes.
Well done. Now you know the answer.
Don't use plastic bottles and bags.
Well done. Question 3. Why is plastic dangerous for sea life? First, let's highlight the key words. Our keyword is why, plastic, and dangerous. Can you find them in the text?
Yes.
Now you know the answer.
Because animals often eat plastic bags and bottles.
Well done. 4. What can you do to reduce the use of plastic? First, let's highlight the keyword. What can you do? Can you find it in the text?
Yes.
Great job. Now can you tell me the answer?
Use cloth shopping bags and you can recycle too.
Great job. 5. When is the World Oceans Day? First, let's highlight the keyword. The World Oceans Day. Can you find it in the text?
Yes.
Well done. Now you know the answer.
It's on 8th June.
Well done. Now it's time to answer the last question. You will find it at the top of your page. What can you do to protect the oceans? Let's refer to the text. Let's read the question. What can you do to protect the ocean? Let's highlight the keyword. Protect the ocean. Can you find it in the text?
Yes.
Great job. Now, can you tell me the answer?
You can keep the beaches clean. Don't leave any rubbish on the beach. Don't touch or feed any animals in the ocean.
Well done. Great job. It's golden question time. Do you know any institute that protects the sea animals in Qatar? Well done. It's the Ministry of Municipality and Environment, as well as the Qatar Sea Angling Association. Let's practice. Turn to your student's book, page 83, activity number 3. Read again and write T for true or F for false. Let me start by doing the first one as a model. You can keep beaches clean to protect the oceans. Let's highlight the keyword. Keep the beaches clean. Can you refer to the text to find the answer? Can you find the keyword? Yes. So the answer is T. Now pause the video and do the rest by yourself. Welcome back. Now it's time to check your answers. Let's start with number 2. It's good to feed animals in the ocean. But first, let's highlight the keyword. It's good to feed animals. Let's refer to the text. Can you find it in the text?
Yes.
What do you think? It's T or F?
F.
Well done. 3. Plastic things aren't dangerous for animals in the ocean. First, let's highlight the keyword. Plastic things aren't dangerous. Let's refer to the text to check our answer. Can you answer now?
Yes.
Is it T or F?
F.
Well done. 4. You can use cloth shopping bags and not plastic bags to protect the ocean. Let's highlight the keyword. You can use cloth shopping bags. Let's find it in the text. Can you find it?
Yes.
So what's your answer?
T.
Great job. 5. Can you recycle to help the ocean and animals in it? Let's highlight the keyword. You can recycle. Refer to the text to find your answer. Can you find it?
Yes.
What's your answer?
T.
Well done. Well done on your last objective. You were able to find all the details in the text. Good job. Great job. Let's move to the next activity. Is there an ocean or a sea in your country? What do you know about it? How can you help the environment? Let's hear our friend Ahmed.
I always use recycle bins.
What about you, Nora?
I don't go to the beach during turtle nesting time to protect sea animals.
What about you? Don't forget to share your ideas with your friends and teacher. Now it's time to scan the QR and play the game. We've come to the end of our lesson today. Thank you, and see you next time.